Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, we are going to install a free plugin to control the spam comments on your WordPress blog. If you have a WordPress blog and you have published many blog posts on your WordPress website, then there are chances that you are getting a lot of spam comments on your blog post. Here, you cannot disable the comment section in your blog post. However, you can control the spam comments using a free plugin. So we are going to install a free plugin and we are going to control the spam comments on your WordPress website. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of one of the WordPress website. This is a demo website and we are going to install a free plugin on this website. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. When you go to add new plugin, you will see a plugin here, Akismet Anti-Spam Protection. If you do not see it here, you can simply search for the plugin here, enter the same name Akismet, and you will see this plugin. You can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 5 million WordPress websites and the rating of this plugin is also good. In many cases, when you install the WordPress on your domain, you will see that this plugin is installed by default. So here we are going to install it. So click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. You will see the dashboard here. Eliminate spam from your website, set up your account. So we need to create an account and we need to get API key so that this plugin will be activated on your WordPress website. So click on set up your Akismet account. Now you will see different options here, the personal, pro, business and enterprise, and all these other options are paid plans. And if you have a personal blog, you can go with the personal blog, which is free. You will see pro account, spam protection for professional or commercial sites and blogs, business, bulletproof spam protection for large networks or multi-site. In this case, we are going to use the personal one. Click on get personal and you will see some pricing is there. Right now it shows pricing in Indian rupees. On your end, you may see pricing in your currency or in dollars. Now here I can scroll it and make it 0. So I'm not going to pay anything and I have changed the pricing to 0 per year and we will get spam protection. I don't have ads on my website. I don't sell products or services on my website. I don't promote a business on my website. Please verify non-commercial usage by checking these boxes. So this account is for non-commercial WordPress website. And if your site doesn't meet these qualifications, then you can go for one of the paid plans. So I'm going to click on continue with personal subscription. It shows your order. We need to enter the email address. So I'm going to enter one of my email address. If you have email address with your domain, you can use that one. And you need to select the country. I'm going to select India. Postal code will be, add your postal code, then state. In many cases, you will see zip code and state or country. So you need to select these options according to your location. And if you want to add GST or any tax related details, you can check this box and add it. But here we are going to use free account. So click on continue to payment, free purchase, click on complete checkout. And you will see the API key is generated. You just need to copy this API key. And let's go back to the website here and click on manually enter the API key and click on connect with API key. Alright, so you can see that it has been installed and it is activated. You do not need any kind of verification code and it will send me the API key directly to the email address also. And in this case, we got the API key directly after creating an account on Akismet. So let's go back and you will see the details here. Data will be displayed shortly because we have just installed this plugin. Now it is going to monitor the comments which are being posted on your website and it is going to filter those comments before publishing on the website. Now let's go to the settings and check the basic settings of your blog. Just make sure that you have some options checked. So under settings, you will see the option here, discussion. Go to discussion and you will see an option here. Before a comment appears, comment must be manually approved. So make sure that this box is checked on your WordPress blog so that whenever someone make a comment on your WordPress blog post, it needs to be approved manually by you. If you uncheck these boxes, let's say if you uncheck this one, this one, this one and this one, and if you save the setting, then in that case all the comments will be published automatically on your blog post. Even if there is a spam comment, it is going to be published automatically. So make sure that these options are checked. Anyone can post a comment, so that people will be able to post a comment on your blog post. And this one, a comment is held for moderation, so you need to moderate the comment. Comment must be manually approved, so it's not going to publish without approved by you. Then we have comment author must have previously approved comment. If there is a person or a user on your website who has already published comments on your website, and if you trust the user, it is going to approve the comment automatically if you have previously approved the comment of that particular user. And here you will see comment moderation held a comment in the queue if it contains 2 or more links. So if there is any link in the comment, it is going to hold that comment for moderation. So these are the basic settings you need to set on your WordPress blog. Now let's go to the same blog here. I have it opened in another browser. Let's go to the blog. This is a demo website, so let's go to blog and let's go to one of the blog posts here. And let's add a name here and post a comment. All right, so the comment is published. Let's go back to the website. Let's go to the comments here. Now here you will see one comment has been marked as spam. So the comment that we just made is marked as a spam comment. Your blog post is very nice and I like it. And this is the same comment which is published by the same user. You will see one of the comment already under moderation, under pending. You will see that one comment is already pending from the same user. Now let's go to the blog post again and let's try something else. Just type in something which is not meaningful, and let's add some name here, and email will be, let's say, and post a comment. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see that under spam we have 2 different comments. You will see the name and this comment and the user. So this plugin has already filtered all these spam comments, so you do not even need to go through these spam comments. You can check only the comments which are valuable and then manually approve those comments. So this is how you can use the free Akismet Anti-Spam Spam Protection plugin on your WordPress website. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.